Oxygen is flowing even when the bag does not inflate. Your life vest is in a compartment, which is right underneath or next to your seat. Pull the strap to remove the life vest pouch. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and tighten. Inflate your vest as you leave the airplane by pulling down on the red tab or by blowing into the red tube. Never inflate your vest while you are inside the airplane. All of these vests do have lights that turn on automatically.